How to use Google Calendar for beginners. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Calendar. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open search engine and then head over to google.com. And once you do so, you'll be able to see these dots over here that is kind of square. So you're going to click on this over here and you'll be able to see a couple of built-in apps of Google. So you're going to find this one that is Calendar, and you'll be redirected to the Google Calendar interface. So once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this. So this is basically the weekly view. You can simply change it by clicking on this over here, and you can simply change it to day view, where you can add events throughout the day for every hour. And you can change from day to week, month, like you can simply select monthly. You can also select yearly, and then you can simply do it the way you want. So let's say we're going to select monthly over here, or if you want to select weekly, that depends on you. So once you have done that and you're okay with the view, if you wish to create an event, you're going to click on this over here. Click on create, and there are numerous things that you can create. You can create an event, task, appointment schedule. So let's say we're going to create an event for a birthday party. So you're going to click on event, and then you're going to simply type in the event title. We're going to type in birthday, and then you're going to select whether it's an event, whether it's a task such as assignment, and whether it's an appointment such as any doctor appointment. So let's say it's an event, and then you're going to select the time, the date, and the zone, that is the location. So if you wish to add guests, you can do that as well. In order to select the time, you can simply select this over here, that from which time until which time is the event gonna happen. And if the event is all day, you can select that over here. And if you don't want to repeat it, you can simply click on it, does not repeat. Or if you wish to, repeat it annually on September 12th, that is that every year this event will pop up in front of you on your Google Calendar. And then you can add guests over here. You can add Google Meet video conferencing. If it is any seminar, let's say, you can add location over here, any description such as notes, and then you're going to click on save. Now, once you do so, now here you can see that this is the event that you created. So you can simply navigate to any event by, simply clicking on these arrows over here. And then you can click on this event over here. Once you do so, it would say something like this, that is birthday, Friday this, annually on September 12th, the day before at 5 p.m. And now, if you wish to invite other guests, you can simply click on this over here. And then you can simply email guests about this event, and they will receive the timing, the location, and everything regarding this event. So that is basically how you can use Google Calendar. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.